Your smart home might be hiding a dangerous secret. While technology promises safety, your radiator system could be concealing serious risks that jeopardize your home and your life. Imagine this: you're in your cozy living room, feeling secure, but beneath that calm surface, your radiator could be signaling trouble. What seems like a minor issue could escalate quickly. Have you heard strange noises from your radiator or noticed a sudden spike in your energy bill? These warning signs often go ignored, yet they could indicate deeper problems threatening your safety. Picture waking up to an unusual smell, only to find your radiator leaking. Many trust their smart systems to catch issues, but that reliance can create a false sense of security, leaving you unaware of real dangers. Consider your radiators. They may appear efficient, but hidden sediment buildup can cause blockages, leading to overheating and even fires. This isn't just a technical glitch, it's a life-threatening risk. Visualize a family gathered for dinner, laughter filling the air, while a malfunctioning radiator lurks in the corner. What seems normal can quickly spiral into chaos. So, what can you do? Stay vigilant. Regular maintenance is crucial. How often do you check your radiators? Those small moments of attention can save you from disaster. Reflect on how often you trust technology blindly. The next time you hear a strange noise or notice a change in your home's comfort, don't ignore it. Those quiet signals could be your home's way of warning you about potential harm. Stay proactive. Your safety depends on it. A little awareness today could prevent a catastrophe tomorrow. Did you know you're high-tech? There's a common misconception about radiator safety that could be right under your nose. The very technology designed to keep you comfortable could actually put you at risk. In our quest for modern convenience, we often overlook subtle signs that something might be wrong. Picture this: you're cozy in your living room, and the smart thermostat is perfectly adjusting the temperature. You feel safe, but are you really? Many people don't realize that the more we rely on technology, the easier it is to ignore potential dangers. Radiators are often taken for granted, treated like harmless furniture. But how safe is that metal box against the wall? Imagine waking up in the middle of the night to a faint hissing sound. You might think it's just the heating kicking in, but what if it's a sign of a dangerous leak? It's not just an annoyance, it could escalate quickly. Let's discuss something most homeowners overlook: the importance of regular checks. Skipping maintenance can lead to serious issues down the line, much like ignoring a warning light in your car. You might feel fine now, but is that a risk you want to take? Think about a friend whose radiator burst and flooded their home. They never considered that their high-tech setup could fail them and were caught off guard, dealing with a disaster that could have been prevented. This isn't just hypothetical, it's a reality for many. The longer you wait to address minor signals, the more dangerous they become. You're not just risking property damage, you're risking safety. So, what should you watch for? Changes in temperature, unusual noises, or even a slight odor. These might seem minor, but they're your radiator's way of waving a red flag. Remember, technology does replace the need for vigilance. Your smart home may alert you to many things, but it can't notify you about everything. When was the last time you personally checked your heating system? Before we wrap up, consider this: the peace of mind from your smart devices is worth it if you forget to stay proactive. Don't let convenience blind you to potential threats. As you reflect on this, ask yourself, how much do I really know about my home's safety? Recognizing these radiator stress signals can make the difference between comfort and catastrophe. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and take action before it's too late. If this resonates with you, share your thoughts below, and let's keep the conversation going. Your safety might just depend on it. Imagine waking up one morning to find your living room flooded with your smart home system flashing emergency alerts. Sounds extreme. Unfortunately, it's a reality for many families who overlooked one crucial element: their radiator. Just because you have smart technology doesn't mean you're immune to radiator issues. Many mistakenly believe that automated systems eliminate the need for maintenance. What if I told you that this belief could set you up for a disaster? Radiators can be ticking time bombs if you are not paying attention to the warning signs. You might think your automated alerts will catch everything, but sometimes they can mislead you, giving you a false sense of security. Imagine hosting a dinner party, and as your guests admire your modern home, an unsettling sound comes from the heating system. Most would brush it off as a tech quirk, but those sounds could be your radiator signaling a problem. If you've noticed your heating system running more frequently or inconsistently, those are red flags. Yet, many homeowners ignore these symptoms, relying on their latest technology to handle everything. Overlooking these signs can lead to catastrophic failures when you least expect it. Have you ever felt a sudden chill from a cold spot in your otherwise cozy home? This could indicate sediment or air buildup in your radiator. It's more than just an inconvenience, it's a warning. Many people neglect regular maintenance, thinking their smart devices will take care of everything. But technology isn't infallible, it can mask real problems, leaving you vulnerable.